The Godox AD600BM is one light I cannot do without in the studio. This light is very reliable. I use it mainly as my key light. This is a 600 watts light, so it's very powerful. It has a fast recycle time compared to the speed lights. With the Bowens mount front, you can use a wide range of soft boxes, beauty dishes, and modifiers from Godox and other manufacturers you can afford. It can also be used as a hair light, rim light, or even a bounce light. I love the build quality of this strobe. It feels very premium and qualitative. Another cool thing I love about this strobe is the fact that the menu is very easy to navigate. It has a clear LCD with easy controls. Even if you're a beginner and you're not conversant with studio strobe and how it works, you'll be up and running in no time. The bulb of this strobe is detachable. You can remove it and replace it back. The bulb also serves as a modeling lamp. You can use it as a modeling lamp as well. The consistent color temperature is one thing I love about this strobe. With this strobe, you get nice and beautiful images straight out of the camera. Let me know in the comments if you have used this strobe before and what are your experiences. One of the things that motivated me to get this strobe is the battery. The battery is very reliable. I can shoot the whole day in the studio or outdoors without worrying about power outlets. The battery is also detachable. You can detach it and charge it separately. You can also charge it while in use. This light is a great value for the money. You can group this light with other Godox flashes or strobe and manage everything from your transmitter on your camera. Like the way I use it in the studio, I use the AD600BM as my key light. Then I use two other flashes as my ring light and hair light. They manage everything on the transmitter. This light is for a beginner or even pro who is looking for a powerful and portable flash. This light is great for portrait shoots and location work, and if you need something that is much powerful than a speed light. Just a quick note, this light is quite heavy compared to the speed lights that you know, and the modeling lamp is not really bright. Please bear that in mind. In conclusion, I will say this strobe is very powerful, reliable, and portable. So if you are looking for a versatile strobe to level up your photography lighting game, check out the Godox AD600BM. Yeah, that is it for this review. I'll see you in the next video.